Good morning. Just now checking on our first job today. 6:39 Friday. Just scoping around, seeing which properties are needing finished up for the week. Looking, checking all the weeds and all that fun stuff. So today we're playing catch up. I'll be running in picking up Alejandro around 8 o'clock. So we'll see how the day progresses from there. Okay, just getting ready to show up at our next location. Check everything out, see how the grass is, see how the weeds are. The bushes are going to need to be trimmed here shortly. And I think we're getting ready for a cut out here. Definitely getting to that point. But right now it's mainly weeds is what I'm after. I want to see how all that's doing. We got to get our pre-emergence laid, post-emergent. All that fun stuff. So let's go have a look. All right. Alright, not looking too bad. We got one little sprout there. Bushes need tend to. Wow, look at this thing. This needs to go. I don't know what that thing is. Bushes are needing trim. Gotta focus. Weeds, weeds, weeds. Where's the weeds? Those are all dead. Those all need to be pulled up. Gotta get these guys on the stick out here. Look at this trash. Throw trash anywhere. Birds are getting ready for their day. But actually, we're looking pretty good on weeds. Well, we got one right there. Spoke too soon. Things looking good. I tore up this side of my property for these charging stations.